The too close here. You throw, then they will come. The too close, move back. They're coming. Look. Just move back or else they will chase you. Put it on the bowl. Just in case you knock it down. Put it on the bowl here. See, they will attack you. I think they're not hungry. They coming, the big one, look. You cannot too close, please. They are full already. Give that one in the duck, the one on the ground. Give them. Don't throw in the water so they can see it. Because the apple is sinking. You can see it. Go near them. Just put it down on the ground. Nearby. Yeah. Oh, you don't like apples. You don't like apple. I think they're not hungry. They overeat now. It's okay. They will eat it. Yeah. So we already come late. They already eat lots of food.
Where's the babies? We need those. Pigeon! 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 Well, the baby don't want that.
Yes, they can see you on the water.
I'll come in the water.
How about just leave it on the edge? They will see it, then they will climb up and eat it on the edge.
Yeah?
No, don't give the whole bowl. The box. Just put the apple on the side, not the box. Down, more down. Yeah. So they will climb up. Ita, don't fall off here. Come on, back. Move back. Move back.
Come on, the birds. Now you can have a little ones here.